This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Amir Khan. Unit C11, 2 bedrooms/1.5 bath, high ceilings, bright and spacious, stainless steel G appliances, 6-burner gas cooking Wi-Fi stove, quartz countertops, solid wood white shaker cabinets, LED vanity mirrors, video intercom, standing glass showers and jetted tubs, low condo fee, pet-friendly and VA approved. Great location 3 blocks from Petworth Metro, close to Washington Hospital, Children's Hospital and Howard University. For more information, review the details below.